Okay, you're on video. And more measuring. Hi, Duncan. Duncan! This is a nice tree for this patio. So we're just laying out site 1. So this looks to be, that's the end of the site. This is kind of the middle of the first site. There's already 30 dogs. But right about that tree is the second site up here. And then down the ridge would be the first site up here. But what's nice is these are all the views, which I am fighting for the trees to keep them. What? For what? Of course, you can't stake anything out because they're still leveling and moving dirt. Oh my goodness, Lulu! Oh, she's heading down to get a bath.
Let me tell you about this soil.
Tell me about.
This is Cabbage Patch soil.
Tell me about the soil, honey. All the way up there?
Yep.
So this was all once a cabbage farm where we kindly refer to our neighbor, Mountain Dave. He was born on this property. His family owned it for years and years. And Dave now lives in a trailer right across the street. Can't see it right from this angle, but anybody who has visited our park is familiar with the trailer across from our exit. And the nicest man lives there. Very kind soul. And he loves watching us develop all this property that he grew up on. So I think it brings him a little bit of joy. I'd like to do a story on Dave and some of the locals that live on Barlow Road here in the North Carolina mountains. They're all characters in our story. All right, those are my updates for today and my long rant. And I will keep you posted.